What if you could advertise your business 24/7 on the go? Let me show you how we design this magnetic car sign in just minutes using Adobe Express. First, visit adobeexpress.com, which is free, fast, and perfect for print-ready designs. Then choose a landscape canvas. After this, simply drop in your logo. Add a bold headline, services, and a contact number. It's all drag and drop. No advanced design skills needed. We then align everything using guides, pick vibrant colors for high visibility, and keep the layout clean for long-distance readability. Here's the final design, ready to print. And here's how it looks on the vehicle. Bold, clear, professional. Your business turns into a moving billboard. Want one for your business? Order your custom magnetic sign today. All links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get updates on new videos.